Good morning, Mr. McGeorge. Where are we?
We are in Indianapolis, Indiana.
And look at this fancy site with our own dog park or kid corral or both. Fancy fireplace. Dad's warming up the Blackstone for pancakes. We are excited. That's in. Sure. Can I wear it? Okay. I don't even have to adjust your hat. It just fits me perfect. And a dog park, and your dad cooking bacon. Is life pretty good? Who do we thank for that? Who do we thank first? For all our blessings. Yep. That guy, huh? Check out this splash pad. 19 days away from a year post-surgery. And he's just a new kid. We're so excited for this splash pad. Giant bucket. I swear the big one fell. There it is, there it is. Open. Standing in the water with no washer. Walking down and up. Back to the washer for comfort. Wow. she goes. Good job, sis. You did good. Dad, explain to us what happened. You're the best storyteller.
This one.
Hold on 1 second. Go, Ruby, go! Woohoo! Good job, Sissy. Oh, you lost your hat. I'll put your hat back on. Come here. I'll wipe your eyes. Come here. Come with your hat. All right. Back to the story, Dad, about Hank and what stunt he just pulled.
This individual here is standing right next to me. And I look over and he has let go of his walker. He is independently walking away for his walker and then goes head first into the water and careens to the bottom of the pool. And this is all happening in slow motion. So I snatch him out of the water, of course. And I ask him what he was doing. He said, oh, I was just gonna dive in. Not a plan in the world. And then Mom very accurately let me know that yes, he did just small me.
Because he looked you in the face and said what?
You should have brought my floaty.
He threw himself to the bottom.
No, I mean,
Not to get rescued by the hot lifeguard, but to prove the point that Dad should have brought his floaty. And I kid you not, he dove in. He dove in. If you know Hank, you know Hank doesn't dive in. Dad. Oh, that one up. Yep, it's getting ready.